Spain versus Switzerland, and what is Switzerland doing? Okay, penalties are not done yet, and I'm just making this video before that because oh my god, with what spirit, with what courage are they playing this game? There is no Shaka in the team. It's okay, they will still manage. They get a red card in the team, and their 10-man team against a team like Spain. It's okay, they'll manage again. And then there is extra time in the match, and Spain cannot get a goal. They cannot manage to get a goal against this 10-man team, and they're still okay. I mean, what is going on with the Switzerland team? I don't understand. They knocked out France, and imagine now they are knocking out Spain. If they do that, I don't know what will happen in penalties. We are yet to see that. But if they do that, imagine. Oh my goodness. Switzerland is going to write history, and this is so damn good. And did not really expect Switzerland to go this far. And I'm so happy inside for Xherdan Shaqiri. He finally gets the respect and everything that he deserves, completely deserves. And I really want Jurgen Klopp to keep him and use him because he is an asset. He is definitely an asset for the team. Doesn't matter if he doesn't track back or something, but come on, he'll get you goals. He'll get you such good goals. We need that. We do need that. I don't know. I'm just so happy right now, and I'm so happy to watch this. Okay, I don't know what will happen in penalties, but Switzerland, they did a great job in this tournament, and what a Euro tournament this Shaqiri had, the Switzerland team would have, Shaka had. Oh man, this is so good. Okay, let's do penalties watch along. That'll be fun. So it's Busquets taking it, and he missed it.
Switzerland have an immediate advantage. The keeper goes the wrong way. So frustrating.
Oh my god! Switzerland is going into semi-finals, and I don't think that Switzerland is going to miss this. Oh my god! It's Gravenovic taking the penalty now for Switzerland. Let's see what happens. He got it. Got it. Oh, what is happening in this tournament? How did he miss that? How did Busquets miss that? Now it's second penalty taker for Spain. The first penalty and they missed. That is such a letdown, my goodness. Okay, second is done. Second is converted. It's second penalty for Switzerland, and let's see how that goes. I think he will convert that, right? Saved! Spain is back! Oh my god! What an advantage Switzerland had, and they missed, and they are back to square one now. My god! It's time for third penalty, and Spain. It's saved! What is
similar in many ways to the share penalty. Telegraphs it, he opens his body for the keeper.
Are the goalkeepers that good that they're reading the game so well? This is the most exciting penalty round ever. Most exciting. Two misses! How is that possible? Listen, Switzerland has the game in their hands now, completely. Now if they lose it now, that will be unbelievable. Come on. The third penalty for Switzerland. How does that go? Akanji taking the penalty, and let's see. Okay. It's going to be fun. Saved! What am I don't know. What is happening? What are they doing with penalties? I don't know what to say. It's like both of them don't want to win this. Where is that courage? Where is that zeal? What is happening? What a chance Switzerland had. And they're back to square one. Do they want to keep that drama till the end? Akanji, what did you do? Spain got it. Spain is again back in the game. Wow. Fourth penalty and Spain got it. Okay, now it's fourth penalty for Switzerland, and they got all five against France. What are they doing now? हाथ में बैठा मैच गवा देंगे यार. What are they doing? Okay. Fourth penalty for Spain. Fourth penalty for Switzerland, and he missed it. Shit.
got to him.
Oh my goodness!
Unai Simon dancing.
3 penalties they missed. 3 penalties. What are they doing? I think he actually got under pressure because 2 before him they missed it. It's the last penalty for Spain.
And Spanish eyes smile. Boy, they toiled
Oh my god, what was that?
to the very
I was just talking about the courage, the spirit that Switzerland played with. What did they do here? They were this close to going to semi-final. Then what did they do in penalty? My god. Oh, I feel so bad for Switzerland. It's like, yeah, definitely he got under pressure, you know. They got under pressure, nothing else. Such an incredible thing that they did in that 90 minutes and that extra time, you know. They got till here, till penalties. Nobody expected them to be here. So kudos to Switzerland and their team and fans and everybody. What an incredible season they had. Obviously, if they could go to semi-finals, that would have been even better. But I don't think this is bad. I don't think this is bad in any way. So Spain is through, and that too how.